In this video I will show you about how you can enable your dark mode on Instagram. So let's start video without any wasting of time. First of all, you need to open your Instagram account, and then you can see right side down in the corner your profile picture option. Tap on here and wait for a moment, and you can see right side up in the corner 3 lines option. So simply tap on here and you can see settings and privacy option. So tap on here, scroll down, and you can see accessibility and translations option. So click here, and now you can see dark mode right here. So click on here and tap on it. So simply you can see dark mode is on. So that's it guys. I hope this guide will be helpful for you guys.